Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug a certified USB cable into the car's USB port and unlock your phone so the head unit can communicate. Once done, enable Android Auto or CarPlay on your phone. You need to grant permission when prompted so apps can forward to the display. Make sure the car is in ACC or on. This powers the infotainment. If your Baleno supports wireless projection, pair Bluetooth and enable wireless projection in phone settings before moving to the head unit. You now navigate the head unit. Tap the Android Auto or CarPlay icon on the Baleno screen, then open the Apps menu to locate YouTube or YouTube Music depending on what you want. If YouTube isn't shown, use phone mirroring or third-party projection apps that the head unit accepts. You may need to allow screen casting on the phone. As you play a video, make sure audio routing is set to the car speakers so you hear sound. Use the head unit's volume controls for safe adjustment. You finish by confirming playback controls work and that audio is routed properly. Use steering wheel controls to keep your focus on driving. If playback fails, unplug and replug the USB cable, restart the phone, and restart the head unit. This clears handshake errors. Make sure projection permissions remain allowed in phone settings, and if problems persist, update the phone OS and the car's infotainment firmware because version mismatches often block projection. Lastly, remember to
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.